This is a Ghost 2 immobiliser on a 2019 BMW M140i. So how it works, if someone tried to steal this vehicle, they've got your key, got the vehicle started, they select a gear, the vehicle cuts out. After this, it's not going to restart, it just goes to ready on here, but obviously the vehicle doesn't run. So what you have to do, turn the ignition on, go through a unique code. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 for the video. We'll get a double flash from this engine light, and then we can start the vehicle. It fires into life, we can select our gear and drive away. When we turn it off, it activates straight away. So you're going to need that code before you drive off. So normally, the vehicle's going to start, you'll just start it up like normal. Before you take it out of park, you'll pop your code in, wait for your double flash from your engine light, and then select a gear and the vehicle remains running. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit and it's the Ghost 2 on a BMW M140i. Thanks for watching.